Welcome to Grace's kitchen. Joke, I'm not in my kitchen yet. As soon as I'm done playing golf, I'll be making delicious homemade tacos and a delicious homemade cheese chip. It was so hot outside. How you all doing? Doing good? Awesome. I was exhausted yesterday. We played golf like around 1:30 in the afternoon. Oh, it's not a joke to be outside at that time. It was extremely hot. Anyways, I'm so happy with my swing though. We had a great time. Here is what the golf course looks like. It's beautiful, isn't it? Hey, so before anything else, let's wash our hand again. Okay, now we're ready. So let's get started. Most of us are busy working during the day, right? So sometimes we are too tired to think, what are we gonna cook? What are we gonna eat, right? What I'm gonna teach you today is very easy and simple taco recipe.
What is a taco? Taco is a Mexican dish
Consisting of fried tortilla, typically folded,
filled with various mixtures.
mixtures such as meat, tomato, and lettuce. So let's call it delicious homemade tacos. If you have a lot of time, you can make your own sauce. But today I'm using the ready-made one. All you have to do is add water in it. So of course, if you're eating Mexican food, you have to have chips, right? So I'm gonna teach you also on how to make a chili cheese dip. It's gonna be so yummy. Brian loves Mexican food, so this is what he's eating for tonight. The ingredient that we need are taco shell, taco seasoning mix, ground beef. So when you buy ground beef, it's better to buy 97% lean meat and 3% fats. So it's not gonna be too greasy.
And also, we're gonna make our own salsa. You need tomato, avocado, and onion.
So need lettuce and cilantro. And of course, we're gonna need more salsa. For the chili cheese dip, what we need are chili no beans, sour cream, and cheese. So time to turn on the stove. Let's add the beef. Break the meat into small pieces. Wait 6 to 8 minutes until the meat is brown. So since we are using 97% lean meat and 3% fats, we don't need to drain it because it's not greasy. Now that the meat is brown, now we're gonna add taco seasoning mix. So this one we will dissolve in 1 cup of water. You can also add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and pepper. Wait for another 7 to 8 minutes until some of the liquid evaporates, but the meat mixture is still saucy. It's ready! Or in my language, Tagalog, you can say, ayan, luto na! Before we arrange our tacos, let's prepare our dipping sauce. So easy. All you need is half block of cheese. So let's put it in our pot. Let's put half of it. We're gonna put our chili no beans. Wait for the cheese to be melted and all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Are you ready for the most exciting part of this tutorial? We're gonna make our tacos now. So first, you put the meat. Then next, we put lettuce. Next, our salsa. Next, our cheese. Next, salsa. And of course, we need cilantro. Where are we gonna get cilantro? Behind me. So this is my cilantro. It's a fresh one. Yeah, I have cilantro by my window. Before I try the tacos, let's mix the chili cheese dip. Okay, time to try our tacos. It's so yummy. I forgot to tell you, for the hard taco shell, you have to microwave it for about 30 seconds just to reheat it. Let's buy one more. Oh, it's so delicious. Our sauce is ready. Here's our chips. We put it right here. Let's try our chips with our chili cheese dip. Oh, it's so yummy. So that's the end of my tutorial. Have a good day, everyone. And thank you for watching. Bye.